Alpha Online Education. It is 6 English medium first year. So the unit number 12. So the name of this unit is Forms of Government. So I completion the unitary government, the federal government. So now present the parliamentary government. So here 4 forms of the government. So one is unitary and another is federal and the third one is parliamentary and the fourth one is presidential form of government. So these 4 are forms of government. So here the today topic is the parliamentary government. So actually the parliamentary government, the best example of parliamentary government is India and Britain, Pakistan, Nepal, the Bhutan, all developing countries are in the side of this parliamentary government system. So the first parliamentary government system state is country is Britain. So our Indian parliamentary system taken from Britain Parliament. So the title of Britain Parliament is Mother of Parliament. So now present the Indian government is parliamentary government. So here the President of India, the both houses of Indian Parliament. So the President of India, the Rajya Sabha, the Lok Sabha, these 3 are called Indian Parliament. These 3 are called Indian Parliament. Here the parliamentary form of government. So the parliamentary form of government, India is best example of parliamentary form of government. So here the features of this parliamentary government system. The features of parliamentary government system. So the India is a big parliamentary government country. So here what is the meaning of parliamentary? So government have 3 organs: legislatures, executives, judiciary. Here the legislatures depends on executives, the executives depends on legislature. These form of government is parliamentary government. This government name is parliamentary government. So the legislatures depends on executives, the executives depends on legislatures. So this is the style of parliamentary government system. So here the features of parliamentary government system. The features of parliamentary government system. Here the features: A, nominal and real executive. So here the in parliamentary government system side 2 executives. The one is nominal and another is real executive. Nominal and real executive. So here this side the nominal, the example of our side, the President of India, Rashtrapati, the best example of nominal. And the real executive, the Prime Minister of India and his ministers all are real executives. Yes, here the nominal executive and another is a real executive. So the administration is in total to the side of nominal executive. So the real executives maintain total authority. In our Indian side, nominal executive, the President of India or Rashtrapati. The real executive, the Prime Minister of India and his ministers are real executives. So here two kinds of executives. And then the coordination between legislature and executive. Coordination between. So the legislatures and the executives are always cooperate. So the cooperation between legislature and executives అంటే లెజిస్లేచర్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్స్ ఇద్దరు కూడా సహకరించుకుంటారు. అదే చెప్పారు. ద లెజిస్లేచర్స్ డిపెండ్ అవుతారు ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ మీద, ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్స్ కూడా డిపెండ్ అవుతారు లెజిస్లేచర్ తోటి. వీళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్య కోఆర్డినేషన్ అనేది మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. లెజిస్లేచర్స్ డు నాట్ సపోర్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్స్, ద సిస్టమ్ కొలాప్స్. The executives do not support legislatures, the system works. So the coordination between legislatures and executives is important. And then the significant role of Prime Minister. So the role of Prime Minister is very important in this parliamentary government side. The Prime Minister role is very key role. So he is the leader of the nation. So his voice is nation's voice. He thinks always people. So he is a real hero. So here the significant role of Prime Minister. The Prime Minister's role is very significant role, very powerful role. అంటే ప్రధానమంత్రి యొక్క పాత్ర అత్యంత పవర్ఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. And then the collective responsibility, it is the very important 2 marks question to all first year students. Collective responsibility, తెలుగు సమిష్టి బాధ్యత అంటారు. సో హియర్ వన్ ఫర్ ఆల్ అంటే ఒక్కడి కోసం అందరూ. If any minister of Prime Minister's cabinet, if he take wrong decisions at the time, the decision, total decision is Prime Minister and his minister decisions. అంటే అందరూ కలిసి the collective responsibility అంటే if any mistake at the time, total take responsibility. If any minister mistakes in the ministry, that is totally mistake of ministry. One minister is a wrong, that is totally wrong of all ministry. That is the total wrong of ministry. So one for all అంటే ఒక్కడి కోసం అందరూ. ఎవరు తప్పు చేసినా that is the total responsibility of ministry. So the collective responsibility, ఏదైనా కలెక్టివ్గా ఉంటుంది రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ. ఓకే. అండ్ దెన్ ఇండివిజువల్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ. ఇండివిజువల్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ, ఎస్ ఆల్ దే టేక్ దేర్ ఇండివిజువల్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ. ఏది జరిగినా అందరూ వ్యక్తిగతంగా అందరూ బాధ్యత వహించాల్సి. ఏంటి ఇండివిజువల్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ. ఎఫెక్టివ్ అపోజిషన్. So the opposition is in the side is effective. If the opposition is not effective, the parliamentary, it is not healthy of parliamentary system. If the opposition is strong, at the time government operates. If the opposition is not strong, this time the government maintain is irresponsibility administration. So if the opposition is not strong, So the parliamentary system success when it success when the opposition is strong at the time this system is in powerful. If the opposition is not strong at the time the parliamentary system is not actually the ruling party maintain total power. Yes, here the merits and demerits of parliamentary form of the government. Here coordination, the merits, labha, coordination between legislature and executive. So the coordination, both to coordination is most important. The coordination between legislature and executives and experienced government. So very experienced government. So అనుభవం కలిగిన ప్రభుత్వం ఉంటుంది. Experienced government, responsible government. The government take total responsibility to the side of people. So the people's responsibility is a government responsibility. The responsible government and also flexible government and a correct powerful flexible government. So these are all the merits of parliamentary government system and also demerits to the side of these. So unstable government. So the government life total depends majority. If no majority in the side of government, at the time the government isn't unstable. So recently the BJP side, the majority parliament members to the side of BJP, now present the government isn't stable. If not in majority to the side of BJP, the government is not stable. So now present the government of India is stable. So sometimes the majority is not side of these parliamentary government side at the time of the government is an unstable government, unsuitable for emergencies. If any emergencies, this system is not suitable. For example, America unkondi. Take the president of America take any decision in any emergency. So our side, it is not unstable for emergencies. Emergency unsuitable for emergencies. Expensive. So here the government is a very high and expensive government. బాగా ఖర్చుతో కూడుకున్నటువంటి ప్రభుత్వం. So these are all the features and merits and demerits of parliamentary government system or parliamentary government style. So the India is the best concept okate. The legislatures depends on executives, the executives depends on legislature. This style government is called parliamentary government. So example India no Britain. So these features here don't confuse. Nominal and real. Coordination నేను ఆల్రెడీ మీకు చెప్పాను, ఇంకా మీకు తరచు అవసరం లేదు. And also significant role of Prime Minister. The Prime Minister role is key role. And also collect all take total responsibility, collective responsibility. అందరూ బాధ్యులు ఏం జరిగింది. ఇండివిజువల్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ వ్యక్తిగతంగా కూడా బాధ్యత వహించాల్సి ఉంటుంది. Effective opposition. If the opposition is not effective, it is the main drawback of parliamentary government system. So So the parliamentary government side, opposition, strong opposition and it is success. So these are all the merits and demerits of parliamentary government system. Okay. So all first year students, please purchase the VGS question banks, your nearest bookstalls. Please purchase and you start reading. Okay. So the syllabuses of all first year students are nearly చాలా 100 topics దగ్గర పడుతున్నాయి. So all first year students must start your readings. Okay. So first you purchase materials and start your work. Do your works. If you have no materials for yours, no materials for your side, no use. Please, every student of all first year, please purchase the materials of VGS. Okay.